Hey, it's Abby, and welcome if you're new here, and welcome back if you are my subscriber. It's been a while since my last video. I wanna say sorry for all my subscribers who've been waiting for new videos. I know it's been a long hiatus. I literally didn't know what to do, what was the main concept, what was even that for. That was just only an experience I wanted to try, and then just, and after the moment when I just getting more and more subscribers, then I figure out that that was just not only an experience, that I have to work on it. And thank you for being with me and staying and waiting for some words from me. So from now on, I promise that I will update new videos every single week. I hope. I'm going to show you guys that I made, and it's not even a DIY project, it's more like some experience that I have, and I want to share with you. So, and that's why sometimes I do my projects not completely, just like the main details on it, and that's it, because it really takes a lot of time, and that's why every time I put in my project, that's just only the main moment. So if you're ready, let's get into that. And here, as you see, I've got an outfit. It's literally from 90s, and I have to just transform it completely, but at the same moment I have to leave some details, right? The shirt is wider on my shoulders and the pants are too loose in my waist, and I have to change this outfit completely. So I have to figure out what is what and then start the whole process. So if you're ready, let's get it started. The first one is the shirt, which I have to unstitch its collar and sleeves. Here I'm going to leave the both front and back sides as well, just to have trim its top part on the back side. On the front side, I decided to make a fold on the chest and add a collar as a decoration. It was a spontaneous idea, so I hoped it would turn out well. So here I'm showing you guys how I made this part. Cut out an extra fabric just in order to replace it with another piece. So here I have a piece of fabric glued with interlining. It helps to keep its shape to be flat and firm. So you can find it in every fabric store. And here I attached 3 details: the skirt, the collar, and the piece with interlining. And after that, I finished it on a sewing machine. I made 2 straps for the top out of 2 short sleeves. I had to sew 2 pieces in order to make it longer for the shoulder strap. Last part is to sew all edges and the shirt is done. Next part is pants. The pants is long but tight, and I have to trim its length and add the rest fabric to the upper part in order to make it a bit wider, since I'm gonna make it wrinkle shorts. When the fabric on the belt part is loose, and when you tie it with the belt, it makes it look wrinkled because of the white fabric. To reach that effect, and being honest, I'm a bad explainer, so let me show you instead. I made a huge belt part out of 2 pieces of fabric, put front sides face to face and sewed on a sewing machine. After the sewing, I put this belt to the short using pins and sew it on a sewing machine once more. For the waistband, I use an elastic band which I have to hide inside the belt. First, don't forget to measure it, cut it, and then sew. And here we have our finished shorts. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.